when it's sideways like that, it's not very good range at all. Let's get a little closer to it and prop it up back to normal orientation. So I guess that shielding doesn't seem to work very well. That's a shame. It was worth a try though. I want to record. We're not recording. Let's record the rest of this video flight. Okay, the camera's recording. I see the red. Boy, this is great to see this on a cloudy day. And I'm showing very low battery. I got better batteries. I guess I didn't charge that battery. Let's fly over toward my wife. We're going to fly till that battery dies. I'm going to have fun with FPV flying here. Can I fly toward me? I'll have a shot. There I am, flying overhead. Yeah, the lights are flashing, but I'm pretty sure I charged that battery. We'll fly until that quadcopter stops flying. And I'm trying to keep this visible in the picture. And if I didn't charge that battery, oh well. There I am again. Oh, you know, one thing I have not demonstrated is, and that's headless mode. And headless mode, that is the base direction down in the field there. Let's enter into headless mode. In headless mode, I can keep the quadcopter pointed toward me. And fly just using the pitch roll command. And headless mode is great for panning, as you can see. Panning the camera. That's one of the main reasons you see headless mode on these camera quadcopters, is you can use it to pan without using a gimbal. Get away, Mr. B. And it's panning really well. And I think that's the end of my battery. I'll see if I have another battery in my pack. We'll do this again. Okay, we've attached another battery in there. I had a whole bag of batteries. So let's go for another flight. And again, we're going to go back into headless mode and play with that again. And away we go. Yeah, my light's not flashing this time. I wanted to really... Oh, there we go. It's starting to flash again. I really didn't charge these batteries. God, I should have checked that out. But we'll use headless mode here to demonstrate the panning. I'm just pulling back on the stick, now pushing left on the stick, pushing forward on the stick, and I can always keep myself in view. My favorite subject there, myself. Let me record. Hit record. There we go. Recording again. So now you can see how this records. By the way, you know, since this is Wi-Fi, its transmission is not very, or its what am I trying to say here? Its resolution of this camera is not very good. It's only 640 by 480. Coming out of Wi-Fi right now, or out of headless mode right now, so I can fly around. But it's 640 by 480, and that's because they have to keep the data stream relatively low. It's digital format, and in digital format, if it gets too high of a data stream, the picture will blank out. But if they can keep it at low resolution, like 640 by 480, that minimizes the amount of data that's being transmitted, and that lessens the chance of having blackouts in your video. Well, this is working reasonably well. I hope you can see that in the picture there. On a cloudy day, this works okay on a cloudy day.